Forget clunky tools. This is the HOTO 25-in-1 ADV, the futuristic mini electric screwdriver every tech lover needs on their desk. Its sleek aluminum design isn't just about aesthetics. The intuitive magnetic sliding case gives you instant access to 25 high-precision S2 steel bits. With dual torque settings ranging from 0.05 to 0.2 Newton meters, it's engineered for master-sensitive tasks. Repairing your glasses, cameras, or delicate gadgets has never been safer. Powered by a motor reaching 170 revolutions per minute, you get fast, effortless screwdriving with the simple push of the forward or reverse button. This comprehensive tinkering kit includes all the essential bits, plus a built-in magnetizer and demagnetizer, so you never lose a tiny screw again. It's highly multifunctional, easily accessible, and features modern Type-C charging. It's total control, right in the palm of your hand. Upgrade your repair game with HOTO. Check the link in the description to get yours today, and subscribe to Prime Pick Studio for more aesthetic tech.